All right, guys, welcome back. Very excited today because not only are you back, but we are going back, way back. How far? About 1,000 years. Small town, Freising, Germany. Up top, the Weihenstephaner Hill. You find the Benedictine monks running their brewery. Hit fast forward. Today, it's still open. Since 1040, this brewery has been up and running. World's oldest brewery. Sound familiar? You may have watched our celebrating International Beer Day 2020 when we spoke about Weihenstephaner then. But it's October still, so we're looking at the Festbier. Look at this. Bavarian beer, Festbier for Oktoberfest, 5.8% alcohol in here. Let's get this thing open. And you can tour that brewery, by the way. Once COVID lets you go, you can go. Oh, right off the bat, it's got such a beautiful smell. It's a little bit of malt and the yeast. You can smell it all together. It's almost like a bread. So good. All right, let's pour some and see what we got. Look at how nice and deep golden that is. Nice, thick, red, dense foam. Oh, that full-bodied flavor it just hits you immediately. This is a classic Oktoberfest style beer. This is a very, very strong representation of the Marzen, which we've all grown to love, especially this time of year. Oh, hashtag Prost. This is good stuff. The only thing I'm missing maybe is a little roasted chicken or cheese. It would go really well with a beer like this. I mean, being in business or being open, creating beer since 1040, nearly 1,000 years ago, you know that they know what they're doing. Why you haven't tried this, I don't know, but your time is running out. Very low on the bitterness scale, which is nice. You don't want a bitter Marzen. This is on the IBU scale, it's 26. So it's kind of low. It's actually a perfect balance. Harmony of hops and malts here for sure. This is, again, just a classic German beer. This is something that I don't even need to eat anything with. I wish they served this at Oktoberfest. They don't. It's not one of the 6. I wasn't on the council. I didn't vote for the 6 back in the 1800s, but I would have cast my vote for them for sure. This is an outstanding beer. You know, watch the other one. Watch the International Beer Day because this is limited time. Of course, they got all different beers, throughout the year. But this one is full, rich, hoppy, deep, golden. Again, it just. This brings me right back to the. This brings me. I almost dropped this. No. Brings me right back to the fairgrounds. Even though it's not served there, it just puts me in that mindset. I just want to share this with friends. I mean. Bringing this by, why not? Ooh, yeah, hashtag world's oldest brewery. Click up there, watch the other videos, subscribe. We're not done yet. There's so much more to drink with craft beers, German beers, Czechoslovakian, American, Canadian, Mexican. Everybody's got a beer. We don't have enough time to drink them all. But we're going to do our best, and we're going to bring the best ones to you. This is up there. Can't say enough about Weihenstephaner. Hard to say, easy to drink. Prost, we'll see you again soon. Comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you want us to do. Maybe we'll do another pumpkin beer. Oh, there it is, pumpkin. I don't know. Tune in next week. Next Friday, we'll have something else. We have pretzels coming, we have schnitzel, we have potato salad, we have currywurst, we have all sorts of German things. And Can't wait to share them. More importantly, I can't wait to consume them. See you next time.